As you can see, it is raining hella. Ooh, it's hailing. Check that out. Rain and hail. Don't you love ice and water? You see, there's no way I would get out there with my hair. Are you crazy? Even the poor DHL man has to be out here in the rain to deliver his mail. Rain, rain, go away. Please come back another day. Like in a month, when it's not raining. Look how hard it is raining. Look at how hard that is. Can you see? I got my webcam out the window. I know I look like a hot mess, but yeah, I'm not gonna show you what I look like, cause I look like a hot mess. Something smells good though. Someone's cooking something. If you're wondering, that's my apartment. There goes the DHL guy. As you can tell, anybody is, they don't care. They'll walk in the rain. They don't care. See? Even random college kids will go walk in the rain. She look like she in high school though. Girl, get a jacket. And she's talking to herself. Well, I'm glad I'm inside. Sucks to be anyone who's out. Daniel, is it rain over there where you at?